Give it a ring. And this is what it looks like to ring the bell.
Hiroshima, August 6, 1945, and Nagasaki, August 9th, 1945.